Oh, look at the dog. Look over there. What a morning
the
introduction.
The dog's got into the rubbish bin. Having a feed. That's not ideal, is it?
Nah.
All right, today.
Good morning.
Oh, good morning. Welcome from Seisea in Cape York. This morning we're heading to Thursday Island for a bit of a look around on the ferry. So we're going to go do a tour over there and have a look and see what's going on the island. Hopefully lots. Hey.
Should be good.
It will
Even
be good.
if it's just to sit down, have a glass of wine and relax and do nothing is going to be good.
I had a celebrationary glass of wine last night. Our daughter Melissa gave us a bottle of Sauvignon Blanc for the tip. And last night, because we made it yesterday, guess what? The glass of wine went to a bottle of wine and it's all gone. It was absolutely beautiful. Thank you, Melissa. Or AKA Poppy. So it's all good, eh?
It was good.
It was really good.
It was really, really good.
All
it was
right.
actually a really good day yesterday. So
we caught a fish. We caught a fish. Well, Tanya caught a fish.
Tanya caught a fish.
Tanya.
It is on video. We did get it, but it's a bit of abysmal. So we'll see how that is.
You'll see how it works on the video. It's pretty rugged. It was all sort of a mad panic moment. So anyway, we'll leave this here. We're going to go get on the ferry. We'll catch you soon. There's the morning ferry coming in to pick us up. So that'll be sweet. Jump on that, go to Thursday Island for a look. And we're back here later tonight to catch another fish because Tanya's going to catch us another one because we suck and she's better at it. So that's what we're going to do. Oh, there's a long tom down there in the water. Pretty cool, pretty cool.
We're getting on this ferry today. Very exciting.
Yep, it's going to be good. Get out and have a look on the other side of the island, or on the island.
It's going to be a warm day though, I feel.
It's bloody scorching already. You've got the sweats on, it's already muggy as. There you go. That's awesome. Watch your hat, someone's already lost one.
That's the last person.
The last person.
Last person on the boat. Welcome to Thursday Island.
So, made it to Thursday Island, up on the hill on one of our tours, a bit of a look around. We go for a wander and check it all out. This is the old military outpost, I believe. They've got guns and stuff here, so we'll go through all of that. There's a whole fort. I'm going to go up to the lookout along here and check it out. Let's do that. Go to the lookout. Might hold the microphone in my hand because it's bloody windy, which is normal for up on a hill, I say. But the view from up here is spectacular. So we'll go for a wander and check it out, boys and girls. Got some old bunkers down here, some old World War II bunkers. All right, so come inside the bunker. We're just going to go for a walk down the end. Oh, there's some cool stuff in here. It's all the history on the walls of... Well, that's a bit rough. The way things used to be done, which obviously is not done like that anymore, but it is pretty crazy. Pretty crazy. They've got some training going on. I'm not going to spend time on every single photo because it's a large museum under here. Here we go. Which one? Hello. There we go. There's some people in a hole. This is pretty cool. What they used to build back in the day. We roll down. We're inside the fort. So this is obviously a World War II bunker. It's pretty neat. It's pretty warm though. Another little spot here. This is all the information about the islanders and the war and the gun. I think the gun's only got shot once here, which is quite outstanding when you think about it. Let's go back the other way, look at the museum. Here we go, coming to another room. There's a lot of information in here. Thursday Island was a really big pearl diving area, I believe. A lot of people didn't make it. A lot of people got deceased. All the old bottles. Here you go. Big old compass. That's cool. Just a plethora of stuff. It's pretty cool. The old timers that come along and try to do things. Check that out. Old child chair. It is pretty cool, eh? Just history everywhere. I'll park here, you can have a quick read. Hopefully you can read that real quick. Oh, you can push pause if you want to read that. I'll keep on rolling. Powder magazine. This room was an addition to the time of 1912 modifications. There we go. Ignore me. It's big old guns. Check that out. Exploded shell. What's the state of that? That'll suck. A lead shot inside of it. That is real cool. A lot of history here. Come and have a look. I'm hoping you can hear me. It's windy as all buggery, but I've got the fluffy on. So if you've got a bit of fluffy in your face, you should be happy, right? So here we go. A nice view. This is Thursday Island. Absolutely spectacular place. Loving it. It's pretty cool. And we're going to go along now and have a look at the gun emplacements. You can see them over there. They got a couple of guns here. I believe they were shot once. So we were told by the tour guide they were shot once in aggression because a boat coming into the harbour didn't disclose itself, didn't say who we were. So they shot at it, and then finally the boat suddenly decided, yes, we're going to wave our flag, and it was a friendly. So that'll teach you. That'll teach you. If you're coming into harbour in war times, let people know, yeah? You're going to get shot. And there's some pretty big guns. Look at the size of these things. Massive things. Loving that. Full 360 turnaround. There's a couple of them. There's another one over there we're going to have a look at near the flagpole. So it's pretty cool. And that's a bloody hell of a cannon, eh? That's pretty serious. Let's go around here and have a look. Excuse my sniffling, the wind's got me going on. Look at that, you see the reef running right around the outside there. What a beautiful spot. Go up and have a squizzy. There you go, some more like wetlands down there. The old local village down here. I think they said there's like 300 to 1,000 people living on the island, so it's not a whole lot. Here we go, here's the second one. Very bloody windy, so I hope you can hear me. And there's a third one over there. That's real cool, but check out this view. That's just insane. Imagine the life living somewhere like this where you can just chill out. Big old ship going through the harbour over there. Oh, big old ship going through the harbour over there. Well, it might not be a harbour, it might be the ocean, but we'll call it. You see the reef structure all the way out. They're saying the reef structure here has been It's like savage. You can see it over there. It's like heaps of reef structure over there. All the sandbanks all the way through. We had to work our way through coming in. So it's pretty intense. Final gun. Looking out probably at that where that big ship is out there. So that'd be the boomstick. It's pretty cool. Really interesting history. And we're on that Thursday Island bus tour down there. Pedals, Thursday Island bus tour. So if you're coming to Thursday Island, have a look. That's a good spot to be. Tour guide's real nice, and you get a lot of history outside of the normal. From what I'm having conversations with it, it's bloody awesome. So come check it out. We're in Thursday Island. We made it. Just gone for a bit of a tour, which you would have seen some of the footage I put on there. There's a Royal Hotel there, and we're going to find a place for lunch and have a coffee. There's the compadres wandering along. It's a pretty funky little town. I suppose I'm wrong. It's got 3,000 residents staying here, living here, and every government department known to man. And the lady in the tour bus was saying that if you want a job and you're a government worker, this is a place to come. They're always looking for workers in the government sector, which is bloody government, right? But every government sector's here and looking for workers, and as part of the job, they provide you housing. And there's a whole lot of new homes being built up on the hill with awesome views. So, you know, if you're that way inclined, I'd be considering coming here. I don't work for the government, so I can't do that, but shit, I'm telling you, it wouldn't be a bad place to be. Just sort of island life, chill out, go fishing, lots of crayfish, and a bit of a lifestyle going on here, I think. We'll keep looking around, I'll show you as we go, but overall, I think it's pretty damn cool. Well, hot as shit, and it's winter. Like, it's hot, but it's cool as far as cool goes, you know. There we go. So the story goes, this Catholic church is the oldest building in this area. Rightly or wrongly, I may have this wrong, but this is what we were told. And the church is, this land the church is sitting on was sold to the Catholic Church for £6, which is equivalent of $11 or something like that in today's money. And they managed to buy it and build a church. Now, obviously the bell up on the bell tower up there, if you can see that, was actually rescued off a wrecked boat and used still today for Sunday Mass. So I'll go up and have a quick wander up, and I'll show you this because it's a really old building and it's got a lot of historical value, not just historical, but a lot of value to the community. Now they're saying that if it had a bishop here, which they don't, if they did have a bishop, this would actually be a cathedral, be the smallest cathedral in the world or something like that. But it doesn't have a bishop. But there you go. All stained glass. Very nice looking building. So we'll stop for lunch at the Royal, I think it's called. Pretty sure that's what it's called. Right across from the jetty. Look at that for a view. How sweet is it? It's pretty awesome, eh?
There's the boys up there. Say hello.
Hello.
Alright, we're going for a walk. Oh, you need it. You're dirty.
I am dirty.
Oh, cute. All the fishing boats out there. It's a beautiful island. Just a stunning place. So peaceful and relaxing.
Put your mic on. Ghost net art. Okay, so this is all the nets that have been taken out of the water and they made art out of it.
That's very cool.
There'll all be the boats from somewhere else.
All little fishies. Very cool. So we're going up into the cultural centre. Let's have a little quick squizzy before we have to go back and get on the boat, which leaves in about 15 minutes. So we're pushing for time now. So let's go have a look. Well, we went for a walk around the cultural centre. You're not allowed to take photos or do any filming, so I couldn't show you inside, but bit of history there, so worth having a look at if you ever get over to Seisea Island. Yeah, really cool. What am I looking at?
The map.
The map.
Got the whole forest straight. Here we are, right there. We're not too far away from PNG.
So we're further than the tip now.
Here we are. Well, the tip's there, so we're way up.
Yeah. It's a beautiful spot.
Hmm.
Absolutely beautiful spot. And there's our boat just over there, so we need to get a move in. Otherwise it could be an expensive time, or expensive stay I should say, if we don't get on our boat, and then you have to pay for your boat to go back tomorrow. So let's get cracking. Come on, hubby. It's incredible.